Hello, welcome to our app Smart Fridge. Smart Fridge has been designed in order to help families to save money and reduce food waste. The app consists of four main features: shopping list, inventory, objectives, and supermarkets. So we'll begin by our shopping list. Inside of shopping list, you can add items to your shopping list. You can add a name and also a small description. Then you can delete items and also pin and unpin them. You can also edit items, for example, if you change your mind about the milk. You can also search through your items. Imagine that you want to delete something on your shopping list. Then, our inventory. In the inventory, you can keep track of the items in your fridge. You can add items, you can also write details about when the items are about to expire or when you should eat them. You can also pin and unpin them or delete. If you delete the item, you will be then redirected to your progress bar, where you can see how much food you have saved. That is our objectives. Our last feature, the supermarkets tracker. If you enter this screen, you can see your position in a map and also easily search the nearest supermarkets in your area. You can choose, for example, the Aldi, and you will see them on your screen. And these are all of the different possibilities with our app. We hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you.